Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable, how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. Basically, how you can enable this feature. So to do this, firstly you have to add fingerprint. If you don't know how you can add fingerprint, you just have to go and find tutorial on this on our channel, add fingerprint, then come back here and continue. So firstly you go to the privacy section, then go to the app lock. Okay, you turn it on. Then what you have to do is to set a privacy password. Go to settings. So here you can select different password type, or you can just enter 6 digits PIN. I'm just gonna select the simplest 4 digits. Enter it, then confirm it. Then you have to answer the secret security question. It could be former teacher's name, or mother's name, father's name of your high school, or favorite restaurant. So here you can enter name of your former teacher, wherever. And here you can select which apps you want to lock with lock. So let's use Chrome, and as you can see, as soon as you select the first app, it suggests you to use fingerprint to unlock this app. You just tap use, and now you can lock or unlock apps with fingerprint. So let's also lock, for example, gallery or just phone. And now, as you can see, you can't access phone without your fingerprint or privacy password, and now I can access it. The same goes to Google Chrome, just like this. What else you should know is this feature works this way. So until you lock your screen and then unlock it, apps which are should be locked, they will be unlocked all the time. But after you lock your screen and unlock it once again, they will be locked again too. So as you can see, every time you unlock your device, you have to unlock these apps too. As soon as you close the screen, they will be locked. But if you won't lock your screen, apps will be opened all the time. So yeah, but after you lock your screen, unlock it, and apps are locked again too. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.